Hey everyone, welcome back to 10 Minutes Travel. Today we're diving into the beautiful island of Samos, Greece. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and delicious wine, Samos is a must-visit destination. So, let's explore the 7 best things to do in Samos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you. Number 7. Explore Samos Town. Nestled in a protected bay on the island's northeastern coast. Samos Town, also called Vathi or Vathi, was established in 1832 as the island's designated capital. The harbor, shaped like a horseshoe, is lined with elegant neoclassical houses, many of which now host cafes and restaurants at street level. Modern concrete apartments extend along the coast and up the hillside with views of the sea. The town serves as a hub for regular ferry services to and from Athens' port of Piraeus. Number 6. Temple of Hera, located 8 kilometers west of Pythagorean, the Heraion, or Temple of Hera, stands as one of the most prominent tourist attractions on the island. Over centuries, starting from the 8th century BC, multiple temples were constructed on this site, culminating in an enormous structure approximately 45 by 80 meters, supported by over 100 columns, which began around 570 BC. This monumental temple was destroyed 30 years later during a Persian raid. Plans were made to replace it with an even larger temple, intended to be the largest in Greece, but it was never completed. Today, the Heraion archaeological site features altars, smaller temples, and the remains of a 5th century Christian basilica. Artifacts from the site are displayed in the Archaeological Museum in Samos Town. Number 5. Kokari Village. Kokari, once a fishing village, is now a vibrant resort town on the island's north side, just 10 kilometers from Samos Town. The town boasts a long pebble beach with crystal clear blue water, making it a favorite spot for windsurfers. For those looking to stay active, don't miss the 8-kilometer loop walking trail that connects Kokari to the picturesque mountain village of Vorliotes. The trail winds through olive groves, offering such stunning views that you'll hardly notice the climb. Upon reaching Vorliotes, you can enjoy a meal at one of the tavernas before descending back to Kokari. Number 4. Pami Beach. Situated on the northeastern coast of Samos, Pami Beach is one of the island's most picturesque spots. Located just west of Karlovas, the island's second-largest city, the beach spans 2 interconnected bays. Along the pebble shoreline, you'll find several restaurants offering sun loungers and umbrellas. For a panoramic view of both bays, visit the Church of Agios Nikolaos, perched above the eastern end of the beach. Pami Beach is also within walking distance of nearby waterfalls and offers a longer hike to Micro Saitani Beach. Number 3. Feel the rich history of Carasi Village. Carasi Village, the second largest town in Samos, lies west of Vathi Village. The town is steeped in history, featuring heritage homes with neoclassical architecture and numerous churches. It is divided into 3 sections: Old Town, Middle Town, and New Town. While exploring Carasi, you can learn about the town's historic fishing industry at the port, visit the ruins of a Byzantine castle, or take a day trip to the stunning nearby waterfalls. Don't miss the Church of Agia Triada, perched on the highest hill in the village. Number 2. Island hop to Patmos on a day trip. For a fantastic day trip, consider visiting Patmos, a breathtaking island in the Aegean Sea located south of Samos. Take a guided tour with a planned itinerary that covers the island's must-see attractions, including the charming village of Hera, a stroll along the Scala Promenade, and a visit to the Cave of the Apocalypse, where you can learn about its biblical significance. The ferry ride to Patmos takes 2 hours, offering stunning views of the Aegean Sea and nearby islands. Number 1. Pythagoras Cave. You may have studied the Pythagorean theorem in math class, but have you ever thought about the person behind it and realized they lived thousands of years ago? The Pythagoras Caves, located within Mount Kirkus, the highest peak in Samos, are where Pythagoras resided and taught mathematics, philosophy, and his religion, Pythagoreanism. You can explore the caves, along with nearby stalactites and chapels, which offer views that stretch all the way to Turkey. These caves are just a 30-minute drive from Samos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.